Hey y'all, it's your girl Tiana. I can only be me, and I am coming at you with this chimichanga video. Y'all, this is a new video that I'm doing on my channel. I have not done this before on my channel, but I used to make these all the time, y'all. These chimichangas take me back to my childhood, y'all. So I just wanted to come when I used to work. I'm gonna go ahead and tell you about it. I used to work at a hot dog place when I was younger, and back home when I'm from Cocoa, Florida, for those of you that do not know. But I used to work for a hot dog place, and we used to make these chimichangas. Now, it was an Italian restaurant, and my first time trying it, I was like, a chimichanga. But after tasting it, y'all, when I tell you that you will love the taste of these with that fried tortilla bread and, you know, the hot dog and the cheese and the chili and all them combinations come together, y'all, and it tastes oh so good, guys. So I can't wait to bring this recipe to you. So without further ado, let me go ahead on and welcome my new family members to the family, y'all. Y'all welcome. I hope you is over here having a good time and enjoying yourself and my family members, okay? I would also like to ask you to subscribe to my channel if you have not, okay? Please don't forget to leave here and subscribe to your girl, okay? Also, I ask that you ring the doorbell. If you don't know what the doorbell is the thumbs up or the like button. Hit it for your girl one time for the one time. If you don't mind ringing that doorbell for your girl one more time, ring that doorbell for me, okay? Also, do not forget to turn the notifications on, okay? When you turn the notifications on, make sure you set it to all so that you will receive each and every upload that I bring to you, okay? Okay, so you're going to have you some tortillas. You can do it with the medium-sized tortillas, or you can do it with the large. These right here so happen to be the large ones because I just had them on hand, you know, for other things that I was going to make. But they're going to be perfect for these chimichangas. All right, so first thing we're going to do is you're going to take you some cheese and you're going to lay it down in the bottom of it. And I like to lay my cheese in the bottom because when you bite, you're going to get that. You're going to bite it from the bottom, you know, so all that cheese and everything going to come oozing out, you know, right along with the chili and the hot dog and everything. Okay, so now you're going to take your hot dog and you're going to lay it right there in it. Okay, so you can cut it up or you can leave the hot dog like it is. Sometimes I cut it up in little pieces. Sometimes I cut it in half. Sometimes I leave it whole. Try to come, you know, middle ways of the sandwich. And this hot dog is still hot. So, gonna lay that one right there. We're gonna double the meat up on it. Double the meat. Yeah, double the meat. Okay, we're gonna double the meat up on that bad boy. Okay? Like that. Like that, like that. Alright. So now we're gonna lay it like that because this end right here act like it don't want to fold in. So right now, what we're gonna take is the chili. And we're going to put that right on top. Add as much chili as you want. But I'm telling you, it is delicious. Like, just even it out. Don't put too much. Just put just enough. Just enough. And then you can go and add some more cheese right on top of that. Okay? But before we did this step, if you have that cheese in a jar, the melted cheese, you can rub that all over the center part up under these hot dogs. Okay? Before you add the shredded cheese. So now what you're going to do is, this is the point where you're going to need your toothpicks. Alright, so what you're going to do is, you're going to take the tortilla and you're going to fold it in. Then you're going to take one end and fold it over. Then you're going to take this end and fold it over, but make sure your ends is tucked in because one thing you don't want is the grease getting all on the inside of it. It will happen sometimes, but not saying that, you know, but try to get it all tucked in. Tuck all your ends just like a burrito, like that. Okay, so now what you're gonna do is take your toothpicks And the toothpicks is what's going to help hold it down while it's frying. Okay. Remember to remove the toothpicks when it's done. So now, this is what we have. It's a little bit oozing out on this end, but it's okay. But this is what you have, okay? This is a chimichanga. Y'all gonna love these. All right, so I'm gonna do another one. Let me get this nice. Okay. It ain't as hot as the first time. So I have my hot dogs cut up, and now I'm about to add some more cheese to this right down there on the bottom. Then we're gonna lay the hot dogs on there. Y'all, so good, so good. So now we're gonna take some chili and put it on top.
And this was the trash nigga y'all were talking about when he first came out now. But you won't let me bring my other nigga out here now.
I'm on video. Oh. So now that you have your chili on top, you're gonna take the ends and do the same thing again. Fold them in. You might have to slide them in a little bit more. Done got a little rusty with my folding, y'all. As long as you get it closed up, that's all that matters. Okay, so when I get them all fixed up, I'll come back and we're gonna fry these, okay? Okay, so now that I got them all finished, it's time to fry them. So what I do is I just take them and I lay on the folded outside. The outside where the fold is, I lay it right down on top of that, okay? Just like that to give it a good seal. And let them fry. Just a few minutes. Just enough to crisp the outside of them. They don't need that much oil to fry. Just a quarter way full. Okay. So I'm going to let those brown on that side. And then when they brown on that side, I'm going to turn them over to brown on the other side. You just frying them long enough to just brown and crisp the bread. Okay, this is them browned and ready to come out. So we're just going to drain them and lay them on paper towel to drain the grease out of them. Okay, so when they're all done, I'll be back and show them to you all plated up. All right, y'all. So this is the chimichangas, hot dog with chili and cheese chimichangas. I hope you guys like it.